Well, throughout the month of October, Prisma Health is teaming up with Richland One to fight the flu in our community. And they're holding a series of flu shot clinics at schools throughout the Midlands. Vaccinations will be offered on a first-come, first-served basis to anyone 6 months and older. Now, the next flu shot clinic is actually happening this coming Saturday. So joining me now to talk about all of these clinics that are happening is Angela Jenkins. She's the Vice President of Prisma's Accountable Communities and Community Health. Angela, thank you so much for stopping by.
Well, thank you for having me here. I'm glad to be here.
Yeah, well, thank you so much for getting up early
Yes.
this morning.
It's all right.
All right, so let's talk about the community effort that Prisma is doing to really combat what's going on, with flu season.
Yeah, certainly. I think Prisma Health has been doing this since 2017. We actually have been giving flu shots in the community, and over the years, we've given 13,000 flu shots to the community members, free to community. We started this through our Children's Hospital and have been partnering with school districts, as you mentioned, in Lexington and Richland County and also Sumter County to provide flu shots to the community. And as you mentioned, it's our effort to ensure that people get access to care in the places that they need it, so we can prevent the spread of flu and keep people healthy.
So why is it important to really get out in the community and do stuff like this instead of just staying at Prisma?
Certainly, because we recognize that people have challenges getting into healthcare. Sometimes they have transportation, or they're working and they're taking care of their families, and so it's difficult for them to get to places and get to us. And so some of the work that we do through our department in community health is making sure that we go to the places where people are living, so that we can give them the care that they need. And we use that through our mobile clinics, through community outreach events, and so we do a number of events in the month of October to make sure that people can get access to the flu vaccine and get the care that they need.
Yeah, I mean, October, of course, cold and flu season. So it's obviously rampant when of course, the colder months happen. I think it's also interesting being in schools.
Yes.
Especially a lot of kids are running around, of course, getting sick. So I think it's interesting why being at the schools there.
Absolutely. It's actually a good place to capture people and families, so we can actually treat the whole families if we're working with schools and get the word out through the schools and through school personnel so that they can get access to the vaccine when we're there. We also know that schools are hubs in the community, and they're a trusted hub in the community, and so that people are used to taking their kids there, so why not partner with them so that they come and actually get the flu shot? And so it's a great way to get access easy to families and their children.
And we've already teased this, so let's go ahead and talk about the next upcoming flu shot clinics.
Yes.
When are they happening? What time and where?
Oh, certainly. So we have one coming up. We have several coming up through the month. And if you go to prismahealth.org, Fight the Flu, you can actually see the schedule. Okay. So we have one that's happening at the end of the month. I believe it's October 25th at our Beeman Auditorium at the Baptist Hospital off of Taylor. And then we have a couple of others that are happening in the community. And if you go to the website, we can actually give you the exact time and location of those clinics.
Perfect. We actually have a couple of them right there on your screen.
Great.
The next one is going to be Saturday, October 21st from 9 to 1 there at Irmo High School. And then next week, as you mentioned, we have Dreher High School and then at Prisma Health over there as well. And so anybody can come, right?
Yes, they're free and anyone can come. And if you're as you mentioned, if you're 6 months or older, you can get a flu shot. If you're 16, you do need a parental consent, but they're free and anyone can come get the flu vaccine at one of our clinics.
There you go. And of course, we'll be putting this on our website, WLTX.com, so you can learn more information on how you can get your flu shot. And of course, if you're unable to attend one of Prisma's clinics, several other places that you can get your flu shot this fall. State's Health Department created an online database. Just go to scdhec.gov/flu for any more information as well.